What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Justo392. Tonight we about to go hit this little car meet. It's a little collab meet here in Colorado, so about to go see what's up with that. As you can see, the weather is shit, but here's the Scat. Get you guys a warm start because I did just get off work, so yes sir. So about to hit the gas station, and then
spent like 5 or 6 on my feet today. Hey, fuck the drink, I want to switch today. Was talking good yesterday, I bet them niggas ain't no shit today. Walk in the doctors with a fake cough, I need a script today. Tryna box me in the Scat, I barely slipped away. Today I'm wearing a shiesty all day, this a different face. Put a fully Glock on the cheekbone, I just switched his face. Just gave his ass a makeover, yeah. Boy, you good.
what's good with y'all boys? We just pulled up to the meet. It's kind of empty right now. It's only been, yeah, we gonna hop out, we gonna take a look at some of these cars. Fucking drive was shitty because the roads are hella wet, but yeah, we gonna see what's up. Okay, we on our way to the next spot. Them boys is wildin'. Them boys is wildin'. Fucking look how wet it is, man. Look how fucking wet it is.
That's what she said.
Y'all, look at this shit. We basically driving in a fucking snowstorm right now. Going to the next spot. I've been following this fucking Subi. Shout out to this Subi. Bruh, I can't see shit right now.
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
No, I've been following this dude to the next spot, but it's a fucking storm. This shit is ridiculous, but I'm gonna hit you guys when I pick the camera back up. We're like 6 minutes away, so. All right, y'all, we at the second spot. They about to call the third spot, I think. I'm gonna just sit in the whip because it's cold as fuck, and you see this weather is still shit, so. Yeah, I'm gonna just record it from the whip. We gonna see what's up. So you heard it, it's gonna be either a digs or a swing. Hey y'all, so we back at it driving in this fucking blizzard. Hey man, y'all gotta run this bitch up. Y'all gotta run this bitch up, because I'm risking my life out here for this fucking content.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you.
But we on our way to the Mexico spot. And it's still fucking snowing. Like, this shit is ass, bro. Like, come on. Colorado be on that bullshit. Like, it snowed twice today and it was damn near 60 degrees. Like, bro, make it make sense. But we 8 minutes away from the spot. I'm gonna hit you guys when I pick the camera back up. Look at this shit, gang. Fucking snowing like a bitch. And these niggas about to race. That's an Audi and an Evo. That Audi been out here spanking shit, no cap. Q50 for the win? I would hop out, y'all, but I'm not trying to stand in this fucking snow. I ain't gonna pussy capture you, so we just gonna shoot this shit from the whip. I don't know what that is. That was like the battle of the hybrids right there. Alright, y'all, we on our way back to the crib. I couldn't get too much content. Some of the races were low-key boring. Yeah, because of the fucking weather. The weather's shit right now, so couldn't do too much, and I damn sure wasn't putting my shit out there with these fucking wet-ass roads. I mean, we'll push it a little bit. But yeah, they was doing drag racing and roll racing and shit. Y'all hear that motherfucker? But yeah, we going back to the crib. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. Oh, we gonna get some shit under this tunnel. Fuck out. But yeah, let me oh shit, damn, I can't even talk.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Let me know what y'all want to fucking see. Think about wrapping this motherfucker. I don't know what color though. Y'all hear this bitch though. That's only a mid muffler delete too, and this bitch sound crazy. I hear them fucking downshift. God damn.
I just gave bungees. I hate when niggas disrespect me. Since my right hand filled with dog shit, hit him with a left. 23 do his body good, call it Dr. Sebi. Switch killer.